Woo! This is Daryl, the Ric Flair of Crypto, coming to you live from Asia, guys. This is Daryl from Crypto Daily Trade Signals, and I just want to say thank you for all the support and love that I got from all of my subscribers, all of my members, for helping us get back on the air. And I just want to give a big shout out, much love to the team YouTube for also supporting us and helping us. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Much love. It's great to be back on the airs, sharing with you the good vibe. This is our crypto channel is very different. We focus on spreading the good vibe. We focus on spreading love. And remember, everything you see in this video is not financial advice. This is just for educational purposes only, and this is for fun. This channel is about having fun, about sharing a good vibe, about sharing love, and being part of a community. Woo! I love our community. I love each and every one of you. God bless each and every one of you. Thank you for being in this stream. Thank you for watching this video, and thank you for being here. And remember, once again, this is not financial advice. This is just an OG expressing my opinions and offering information that's for educational purposes only. And with that being said, don't forget to smash the likes, subscribe right now. Let's jump into the content. We got lots to talk about. We're going to talk about exchanges, exchange fees, and what you need to look out for. We're going to talk about where we see Dogecoin going in 2021 and beyond. Some really bullish news. We're going to talk about Australia just sees $6 million worth of illicit crypto. So we're going to talk about that and some other breaking news. So guys, let's get in it. Let's jump into it. And before I do that, I just want to give a big shout out. We got a whole bunch of new members in the house. Woo! We got Giovanni. He joined today. We got Marquis Brown. We got Norris Blackerman. We got Koki Fandis. We got Cheryl. We got Cubis. We got PRS. And we got Dat Nguyen. Welcome. Thank you for being part of this whole experience. Thank you for being in the crypto circle. Thank you for being part of the community. Thank you for joining us here on the Crypto Daily Trade Signal. Woo! It's a great time to be alive. So let's jump into Bitcoin and see what's happening. As you guys know, it's the weekend here in Asia. It's Sunday, still Sunday late morning. We're going to be heading into the afternoon real soon, guys. So it's a great time to be alive. And we're seeing that as to expected, Bitcoin right now is pretty much range bound. We're not really seeing much going on. It's trading at 49,000. Yesterday we did go as high as 50,000, but we got rejected a little bit. Let me zoomy that for you. Let me make it a little bit bigger. Let me zoom that up so you can see it. So we did get rejected yesterday when we hit 50,000. We came back down, and we're just gingerly in the positive territory right now. We're still above the 200-day moving average, so that's pretty good. As long as we don't break down, I think what we're seeing yesterday is we're seeing a little bit of profit taking. When Bitcoin went up to 50,000, and which is really a psychological level, we're seeing that a lot of people were taking some profits yesterday. So that's probably why we saw that dip. And this is called a spinning top doji candle, and that really indicates uncertainty in the market, and that really talks about and indicates that the market's a little bit undecided if we're going to be going up or we're going to be going down. So just keep an eye on things. I don't expect too much this weekend on Bitcoin. I think we're just going to be trading sideways for most of the day, and that's okay, guys. That's not a big deal. It's okay. If we look at the rainbow price chart, we're still in the hodl mode. So this is a good little chart. Just search Bitcoin rainbow price chart. I'll put the link in the description. And, this is kind of indicative, kind of helps you tell you what you should be doing and where you should be going. Remember, this is not financial advice. It's for educational purposes only. And our fear and greed index right now is still at 76, extreme greed. So this is really indicative that the whole market sentiment is up, guys. So, woo, this is really good. And this is, overall, you want to swim with the whales. Don't do what the opposite of whales are doing. And the whales right now, they're still accumulating. If you can see that there's more Ethereum, Bitcoin, Dogecoin being taken off exchanges, and they're moving more stablecoin on. So they're looking at buying opportunities. So what's my forecast for next week? I think between Monday to Tuesday, maybe Wednesday, we could see basically consolidation, things going basically sideways. We're not going to see any huge volatile moves up or down. We may see the occasional altcoin project suddenly go up, or like Solana or ADA. But overall, I think we're, the total market cap will probably, ranging between 2.2 trillion and 2.3 trillion. And then Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, we should see a breakout again, and hopefully we can get the market cap up to 2.5 trillion, and that'll be really good news. So let's jump into the Ethereum price right now. And Ethereum is, let me just zoom that up so you guys can have a better look at it. So we're basically seeing essentially the same kind of pattern as Bitcoin right now. You can see that overall we're just kind of like moving range bound. Right now Ethereum is trading at 3,229, and then we have some overhead resistance at 3,281, 82 area. So we need to get past that. As you guys saw yesterday, very similar to Bitcoin, we have a huge resistance at around 3,300 area, and we did blow past that, but we got rejected. We came down, and I think what happened is once we hit that area, we saw some people taking profits, and that's why we're seeing that yesterday we had a little bit of a correction, a very minor correction, nothing too big, and right now we're just going to be going sideways, and I think that's what's going to happen for the most of the day here in Asia. Hopefully that when America opens, you guys can continue either taking it up or at least going sideways, because we don't want things to go down. And if we look at Cardano right now, Cardano's faring pretty good compared to where Bitcoin and Ethereum is. Cardano right now is at $2.47, and it's up 2.47%. So it's outperforming Bitcoin and Ethereum right now. And we saw that yesterday, ADA, get your cryptos right. We saw that ADA went as high as $2.58, and that was all-time high. So we're in price discovery mode. So hopefully we can get back into price discovery mode and hopefully be hitting $2.60. I think we could see $3 coming in next month. I think I'm pretty bullish on that. So that's my advice. So in our portfolio, our online educational portfolio, we have a lot of Cardano as well. So, and I'm personally holding Cardano. Remember, this is not financial advice. This is educational purposes only. Just remember that. If we look at Solana had a huge rocket ride yesterday. It went as high as $83, and it went down as low as 71. And right now we're trading around about 74. So you can see yesterday we hit an all-time high. Pretty sure people are taking profits, and but even though we had this huge profit taking, we're still staying above this 72, this 72, 73 line, which is a good support line right now for Solana. Solana in the house is doing really good. So Solana is still performing pretty good. We can see that we've had a really parabolic rise, 122% since 15th of August. So Solana has just been taking off in August, and hopefully it will continue to do that. We're probably going to see a little bit of range boundness, and then we should see ourselves taking off sometime Wednesday, Thursday, Friday-ish, and then hopefully that will set us up for a really nice green weekend, because we're seeing we're seeing more positive movements on the weekends now than we are on the weekdays. So that's really good. Now my Doge in the house. Doge right now is trading at 31 cents and 31.4, and it's come down a little bit, but we're still okay. We're still way above our 30-cent support line, and we're below our 35-cent resistance as well. So that's really our next overhead target. I think basically we're going to see Dogecoin be going sideways, up and down. I think it's going to be range between where we are now, between 31 and 32 cents. Today we hit a high here in Asia of around about 32.0321. So hopefully we can push this past 32 cents, and then I believe that Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday we should start to have more momentum, because you can see that the volumes are quite light right now, and that's because it's Sunday in Asia. People are not spending too much time in front of the computers or doing crypto. They're probably spending time with their families, loving their wives, loving their kids, and just having a good time. And God bless everyone that's spending time with their families. That's what you need to do. So got a frog in my throat. So Dogecoin on the 4 hours, pretty similar. We can really see the range boundness. We've dropped below our 20-day moving average here, but we're still well above the 50. Got the frog in the throat. And above the 200. So looking pretty similar. We're consolidating. As you guys know, we had this the support line at 30 cents. I think you will be fine. We'll probably be range bounding, but this is an opportunity. This is is it too late? Is it too late to get into Doge? No, I think now is still a good opportunity to get in. This is not financial advice. This is what I'm doing. I'm always dollar cost averaging. And remember, I said that every Thursday is my DCA day, dollar cost average day. So I'll be dollar cost averaging on Thursday and building up the portfolio as well. So that's really good news. I wouldn't worry too much. I wouldn't panic. It's nothing major. We're not even down 1%. So that's nothing to panic about, guys. So just keep on keeping on. Some other interesting news that's happening right now, as we can see with this, inside up, with this whole Afghanistan collapse, we're seeing that, Afghanistan, there is a lot of youngsters in there who are actually leveraging cryptocurrency, and because the banks are collapsing, stores are shut. So for many Afghans this week, it was laid bare with the worst case scenario for the country turning, ruining its legacy and financial rail. So, we're seeing a nationwide cash shortage right now, closed borders. The currency has just plunged. So, in some ways, the perfect test case for usefulness of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies is right now. So, if you've got cryptocurrency in Afghanistan, you can also see that Afghanistan is ranked 20. We talked about the top countries that are ranked in terms of usage of cryptocurrency based on peer-to-peer holdings and per capita income. You can see that Afghanistan is ranked above the U.S. So that's really interesting news. So Bitcoin cryptocurrency is a really good hedge against inflation. I'm sure that the Afghanistan currency is going to be devaluing real fast when we have this huge exodus. So God bless everybody in Afghanistan. Be well. God bless. Be safe. And hopefully the situation recovers and everything will go back to normal pretty soon, guys. So yeah, guys, say a prayer for all of our brothers and sisters in Afghanistan. Hopefully they'll get through this. Our prayers are with you people in Afghanistan. Woo! And also some really positive news for Dogecoin right now is chain analysis says Dogecoin adoption reaches record level. 82% of Dogecoin supply is owned by 535 entities. So what we're seeing is that more and more people are getting into Dogecoin, and we have not seen Dogecoin is currently being adopted by new investors at a level not seen before since the late 2017 bull run. The firm also noticed that most of the supply is being held by a small number of wealthy entities. Specifically, 82% of the Doge supply is held by 535 entities that hold more than 10 million Doge each. So we're seeing that a lot more people are getting involved. We're seeing that new investors are increasing their share of supply from 9% in July to 25%. So this is really bullish news that, sure, I admit that, we have a lot of huge whales that are controlling a dominant part of the Dogecoin supply. But we're also seeing more and more new investors coming into the space, buying Dogecoin, and that's being funneled by a whole bunch of things. It's being fueled by the hype, by Twitter, by Elon Musk, and it's also being fundamentally driven by what I call the pure Doge. We have not heard or seen Elon Musk tweeting about Doge for some time now, and this is a really positive sign because Doge is no longer the joke coin. It's something that we have to. It's something real, guys. So where is Dogecoin headed? Dogecoin 2020 and beyond. So where are we headed? So it's not every day that the underdog cryptocurrency makes its way into headlines, and that too is a cryptocurrency that started out a joke. So the irony here is that Dogecoin was started as a joke against cryptocurrency, and now the irony is that it's becoming the main coin, and it's in the top 10, and it's been there for a long time. So Dogecoin has huge staying power, huge following, huge catalysts are coming out. We saw that we had this huge upgrade to the version 1.41 for Doge that's coming out. That's being released. Higher transaction speeds, lower transaction fees, and we're seeing speeds that are going to go up by 2.5x. So this is really bullish news. So we've seen that. Sure, we've had Elon Musk. We've got the SpaceX launch that's coming. Mission paid for in Doge. The first cryptocurrency in space and the first meme in space. So this was back in May. So all of these catalysts are just really exciting for Doge, and you should be excited. This is an exciting time to be to be in Doge. So far so good, but the reality big break is coming with the news that Vitalik. Remember, we had Vitalik, the founder of Vitalik, the Ethereum founder, and he is now a member of the development board. And Vitalik definitely has tricks up his sleeves, and he is going to be one of the main drivers that are going to help us bridge the Doge to Ethereum, turn on smart contracts, move Doge from proof of work to proof of stake. And this is fundamentally one of the most important game changers, is this Dogecoin development board, and having Vitalik on there. He's not just going to be on the board, sit back, relax, and not do anything. Anything that Vitalik touches turns out to be an amazing project. So the underdog that wants a meme coin is now getting out of the shadows and into the limelight, with Dogecoin Foundation plans to develop the proof of stake cryptocurrency further, and both Buterin and Musk on board the foundation. So it looks really promising, and I think Doge only has one way, and that's to go up. So don't discount the Doge, and it's still not too late to absolutely get into the Doge. This is not financial advice, and I still think and believe that Dogecoin could go from $1 to $2 by the end of the year. So this is really amazing news, guys. Other news that's happening right now: Australia had its largest crypto seizure in Australia. Police seized $6 million worth of digital currency, and this was taken down off the dark web. And you can see that the percentage of illicit crypto transaction according to chain analysis only is about 2%. So if you look at the overall legitimacy of the whole space, we're only seeing that actually 2% of all the transactions are illicit, but the majority of the transactions are good transactions. They're great transactions, and it's done by you and me and institutions, and it's all positive. So it's very important that that we just understand that cryptocurrency is not all bad. There are some bad elements, but overall it's good. Everything is good. So guys, spread the good vibe. Love your neighbor. Spread the good vibe. God bless everybody. And some other news that's happening right now is I want to talk about exchange fees. There's basically 3 types of fees on exchanges, and there's the actual exchange fees. This is when you buy and sell, maker taker fees. And then other fees that exchanges have is network fees. This is actually not exchange fees, but every cryptocurrency, if you sell it or send it, you have to pay a network fee. So this is outside of the exchange, but it becomes part of the fee structure. And then other fees that sometimes exchanges charges, cryptocurrency wallet fees. So what you guys want to do is you're going to do your own research, and you want to look at different exchanges, look at the comparisons, and before you choose an exchange, do your own homework, do your own risk management, because not all exchanges are equal in terms of fees. So you want to look for an exchange that covers the majority of the cryptocurrencies that you're interested in, and you want to look at which exchanges best fit your needs and what you need. And also look at the fee structures, because they're not all equal. So I'll leave the link of this, and you can take a look at the different fee structures. So it's important that you have to understand that not all exchanges have exactly the same fees. Some have different fee structures. Some are very expensive, and some are not so expensive. So you need to look at that and understand that moving forward. So with that being said, let's take a look at the total market cap. Right now, the total market cap is 2.12 trillion. I'm hoping by the weekend we can push that up to 2.2 to 2.5. That would be really good. Our volumes are quite light right now at 72 billion. And our Bitcoin dominance is going up a little bit. We really need to see this go below 43%, and then that will signal a huge altcoin season that's going to be frothy, foamy, and much more explosive than we had in the previous bull cycle that happened from January to the first couple weeks in May. So I really think this is the beginning of phase 2, and we can really see that. We can really see that in the fear and greed. That the fear and greed is back to where it was in May before the pre-China crash. So this is really important that you guys understand that this is happening, and it's happening right in front of our eyes. So it's a great time to be alive, guys. So let's look at the cryptocurrency markets, and right now we're seeing that Bitcoin is trading at 48,875, and that's about even, guys and gals. And Ethereum right now is at 3,233, and that's down almost 1%. ADA is still up. ADA is still performing very well. And ADA's all-time high was $2.57, so we're getting pretty close again to price discovery mode, and ADA's up over 110% in 30 days, so that's amazing. Binance Coin is also coming back. It's up it's at $450, get your words right, and we're just slightly below 1% increase, and it's still up 52% for the last 30 days. And my Doge in the house, still doing good, still pretty bullish. We're up 64% in 30 days. We're down right now. We're down 2%, and that takes us at 31.6. So is it too late? I don't think it's too late. It's still a good opportunity, dollar cost average, particularly if you FOMO'd in at the top in May. So you can dollar cost average, bring down your strike price. So you're seeing that a lot of the altcoins are mixed. You know, we're seeing a little bit more red today than we are green, but that's because we're just going sideways. But you're seeing that the percentage drops are not huge. We're not seeing huge drops today, so that's really good. So let's just take a look at the Crypto Daily Trade Signals portfolio. Let me give that a quick minty refresh because I want everything fresh. And remember, this portfolio is for educational purposes only, and if you follow any parts of this portfolio, you do that solely at your own risk. So right now, the total portfolio is up 50%. Remember, this portfolio started July 2nd, and we have a total of profit and loss on this, educational portfolio of $2,554, and the total value of the educational portfolio is $7,544. So not too shabby. So it's a really great simulation. So hopefully you guys understand that this is a simulation for educational purposes, and do your own risk management at all times, guys. And don't forget to follow me on Twitter, guys. Follow the OG on Twitter. And I just want to thank all of my Twitter followers for supporting me over yesterday when we had that little bit of a hiccup with YouTube. And I want a big shout out to Team YouTube for helping support us get the channel back online. Thank you everyone. I really appreciate it. I really felt the love. I was really moved. And with that being said, don't forget to smash the likes and subscribe. And as always, please follow my links. Please follow my linky winkies. Go to Zen Music Addict. It's a wife's channel. It's a relaxing music. Find your soul, find yourself, and relax. And don't forget to check out the merch. We got hats, we got hoodies, we got cups. Love the merch. So follow the merch. Do it now, guys. I love you guys to death. And be blessed. God bless each and every one of you. I love you guys. See you in the next one. Woo, guys. Take care. God bless you. I love you guys. See you in the next one tonight, guys. Thank you for being here. And remember, I'm working for you. I'm doing this for you. Thank you so much. I love you guys. Woo!